Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Store apps without using the Microsoft Store. So here on my computer, I've got Windows 10 running. And if I do a search for the Microsoft Store, as you can see, I don't get any results for the Microsoft Store. And that's because I've uninstalled it from this computer. But now I want to install apps that's available on the Microsoft Store without using the Microsoft Store. So there are actually two ways that you can do that. And I'm going to share both of them in this video. Now, the first way that you can use to install Microsoft Store apps without the Microsoft Store is by coming over to this web page. But this website is an online link generator for the Microsoft Store. So basically, you'll be able to download free items from the Microsoft Store by using this website. And to get the item from the Microsoft Store, you'll need one of these four request types. Either the URL to the Microsoft Store page, the product ID, package family name, or the category ID. In this example, let's leave it on URL. So to get the URL for the app that you're trying to download, visit that app's web page in your browser on the Microsoft Store, and then copy this link and paste it into this field, and then click on this checkmark to generate the link. Once the links have been generated, you just need to find the correct software on this list. And although I got a lot of results here, I can see only 2 of them are WhatsApp. And judging by the size, this is the correct one that I want to download, as this one's almost 100 megabytes in size, and this one's only a few kilobytes. I can also see that this is an .m6 bundle file, which is an installable file, and that is a .blockmap file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the second link to download the WhatsApp desktop from this online link generator. If you do get any errors or security prompts, just go ahead and allow it or keep the file. It's completely safe to download it from this web page. And then once that file has been downloaded, if you click on Open File, it'll install or update the app that you're trying to download or install. And as you can see, this is a Microsoft Store app, but I don't have the Microsoft Store installed on this computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Update, and it will then update or install that app. And you'll be able to use it without even having the Microsoft Store installed on your computer. Now, the second way that you can use to install Microsoft Store apps without the Microsoft Store is by using this web page. But once you're on this web page, you can do a search for whatever app you're looking for. In this case, let's do a search for Instagram. And on the list of results, you want to find the app that's for Windows. Once you're on the app's download page, just click on the latest version, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can download the latest version of that app. Now, unfortunately, at the time of this recording, due to maintenance, downloads are not available. But if downloads were available, you'd be able to download the app, and you'd also get an .m6 bundle file. And you'd be able to open that file and install the app the exact same way I did in the first method. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video and watch any of my other helpful guides on this channel. And I'll see you in the next one.